Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Myself, Sunil Kumar Jaiswal, solution specialist for manufacturing at Capricorn Technology Private Limited. I would like to welcome you all to today Tech Tuesday video. Before going into session, allow me to introduce our organization. Capricorn is an India leading design and construction management technology solution provider for architecture, engineering, and construction. We are one of the Autodesk largest platinum partner and an authorized training center. We have more than 300 dedicated team member, and Capricorn serves over 20,000 clients in the AEC and related industries. Capricorn has contributed significantly to the country adoption of computer-aided design for more than 3 decades. We offer the best solution approaches and practices to increase your productivity and lower project risk. We are delighted to inform you that we have a global footprint to serve you with best of our abilities. Capricorn Technology is now part of Arkan's group. Tech Tuesday will focus on the following points. Basically, assembly modeling in Autodesk Inventor is more than creating part feature from sketch profile. Typically, a library of part file is created and these parts are assembled together to create a composite model and assembly. Assemblies themselves can be treated as a discrete component as some assembly within larger assembly. Autodesk Inventor has an extensive user interface for working with part in the assembly environment, including positioning tools and assembly constraint for defining relationship between parts. So guys, let's move on the AutoCAD screen and we will see how to assemble the component in Autodesk Inventor. As we can see that this is my Inventor screen and this is opening the assembly module. So for open any saved components, what we have to do, go to the components and here option is place. So click on place button and select your parts. So go to the OneDrive attachment drawing and here we have a component of pipe wise assembly. So I will show you a basic assembly eh, of the pipe wise uh, machine. So there is a number of parts which related to pipe wise assembly. So first I am opening all the components. So movable jaw is by mistake 2 parts. So I just delete the extra part. Okay. And all the parts open in assembly mode and first of all free move. If you want to move your parts in assembly mode, then you can select the free move option and select the parts and you can drag on the screen as per your requirement. and other one is free rotate. If you want to rotate any component, then you can select and mouse left click, you can rotate it. Okay, so if you want to assemble the components, so go to the constraint option, and there is a different types of mate is available in type, like mate, angle, tangents, insert, symmetry. So I am using normal mates. So select mate option, and select axis of the spindle, and select this axis. It will automatically axis to axis mates apply. And next is, if you want to mate this face and this face, so this face or mate, and offset distance is 0. If you want to offset, so give the offset distance, like I am typing 20, and apply. If you want to rotate, so you can rotate also through rotate button. Next part is bar. You have to insert this bar in this hole. So go to the constraint and select this axis and this axis. It will automatically insert it and apply. So as per requirement, you can move or slide. Next is cap. This is cap. This cap is insert end of the bar. So go to the constraint, and this face made to this face. And if you want to change the direction, then also this face and this face made apply, and this axis and this axis apply. So here two cap is required, so go to the place and handlebar cap, insert constraint this face made to this face, cancel. Where is again constraint this face made to this face. Automatically face has been made, and axis to axis, you have to select first axis and select second axis, and axis to axis also made as well. Next part is jack. So this jack is inserted into this cavity, and this spindle is insert into this hole. So go to the constraint option and just select this face and this face, apply. So this face and this face are applied, and uh, next constraint is you have to select this face and this face. This inside face, select it, then it will automatically assemble. Horizontal and vertical, uh, front and side face, you have to make inside of front and side face. And this is grub screw constraint, and there is also a select axis and axis lie, and also this face, again use constraint, this face, this face, this face, apply. There is some mate issue, so okay, you have to, in this option is different type mate is applied. So first we have to select constraint, this, sorry, this face, and uh, okay, this top face is not flat, so that it will problem the issue. So select constraint, this inside face and this face, apply, and this axis and this axis, apply. So you can see all the parts has been assembled. So this is class, this class is so I am showing the uh, I am showing for basic assembly how to do in Autodesk Inventor. So for more videos and update, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technology Private Limited, and like and comment if you like the Tech Tuesday video. And we would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye.